and 2 and 3 and 4. A little bit more loose. Hey everybody, welcome back at Maximum Voice. We're very happy to have you here right now in our rhythm section. Today we are talking about the eighth. What's the eighth? The eighth note, it's 2 of them makes a quarter. Most of you know that. It's the little one with the little fan in the end. And there are 2 different kind of eighth notes. It's the straight eighth and the swing eighth. And what's the difference about it? We are going to discover now. So when we look into our counting system, and we go by 4/4 today because that's the most easiest and the most commonly known, we have 4 quarters in 1 bar, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we divide those 4s into 2, we have 8 eighths. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That, what you just heard, was a straight eighth, meaning between my 1 and 2, I have exactly in the middle another note that divides that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's the most common eighth note, I think, at least in pop music. If you go a little bit more in the direction of jazz, you might have heard of a swing feeling or a swinged eighth note. What is it? A swinged eighth note. 1, 2, 3, da, 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 and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So what's the difference here now? Let's check it out side by side. I'm going to do straight again, and then swing again, and then we're going to talk about it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So obviously we have our straight going up and down eighths, and then we have our 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. A little bit more loose, as you can see. So what happens there? Why does it feel so different? As I said before, the straight eighth is divided exactly in the middle, while the swinged eighth is coming a little bit later. So where is that coming from? It comes from a figure called trio. You have 3 notes on 1 count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ta-ki-ta, 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 ta-ki-ta. If I leave the middle part out, I have ta, 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 ta. So my both notes are not coming straight on point and on the half, but is divided into 3. That's why trio, and the middle part is out. Ta, 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 ta. So every time I go with ta-ki-ta, 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 ta-ki-ta. Now I'll leave out my ki. Ta, ka, 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 ta. And that is how you approach this swinged feeling. We don't divide things in 2 anymore, but in 3, which is out of me by form, but a much rounder, more rolling division, and gives you this a little bit easier feeling. Ta, ka, ta, ka, ta, ka, ta. Ba, ba, do, ba, da, ba, da, ba, da, di, do, ba, 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 di, ba, ba. Instead of ta, ka, 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 ba, da, di, ka, bu, ka, ta, ka, bu, ka, ta, ka, ta. So you can feel already, okay, the one is like really straight, really going just straight down its line. And this straightness is a lot of times very necessary, and it's hard to approach sometimes if you have to keep it through, for example, with the shaker through a whole song if you're not necessarily a drummer. Others can do that too, but it is one of the more harder jobs to keep this very simple little figure really tight. And the other one is, as I said, much more flowy. You hear it in jazz a lot. It gives the whole thing a different movement. a little bit almost like a waltz or 6/8, because all of those are kind of based on the number 3. So far so good. I hope you understood the difference between a straight and a swinged 8th. You should try to practice with both of them, because it's a very big advance if you can differentiate wherever you can. I hope this helped you a lot, or a little at least. And leave some comments, and I'm happy to have you back for the next episode.